Hi, and welcome back to my channel, Learning Biology with Dr. Vanessa. I wanted to pop on here real quick and talk to you about some changes that are going to be happening in my channel. I'm going to be creating a playlist, and I'm going to title it Kids Corner. Now, in Kids Corner of Learning Biology with Dr. Vanessa, I'm going to be making videos directed towards kids. Now, these videos are going to be geared towards elementary age, middle school age, and while they're going to be made for children, adults can definitely watch them as well. The difference is going to be that in every video, I'm going to create something to help enhance that learning, which means the children are not just going to watch the video and go on with their day. Each video is going to include something. So maybe it's going to be a demonstration or an experiment that we do or a worksheet, but these things will all help to reinforce what the video covered. And these are going to help them be able to take that information and really have it stick so that they can take it with them for the rest of their lives. I really do want to increase health literacy, and that really starts at a young age because the more that we know about our bodies, the better we can make healthy life decisions. Now, don't worry, adults, I'm still going to be creating the videos that I've always created. I'm just going to be adding this on to my YouTube channel. So I hope that you all stay along and there's something for everybody. So if you're a child and you want to learn more about your body, or if you're an adult and you want to learn more about your body, there's plenty of videos, and I've created several different playlists so that you can be able to hopefully find those topics that you're looking for quickly. So thank you for being here. If you're interested in that, please make sure you subscribe and follow me. Share this with your friends, and I look forward to bringing you more and more videos and helping to increase what you know about yourself. Thank you.